birds, so many kinds of birds, each one special and different. How did Jesus think of them all? How did each teach the birds to sing their own special song? Imagine the birds enjoying their beautiful home. Imagine them choosing just the right tree to make things. Imagine their beautiful feathers shining on them. I'm thinking two things. Jesus made a free thing. They started with B and F. What are they? Yes, Jesus made birds and fish. On the fifth day, on the sixth day, he walked through the beautiful world he had made. I think the birds all sang their most lovely song to their creator, but then Jesus stopped and the birds were silent. The Bible says in God said that the earth will forth the best of the earth after his time, and it was so. Genesis 1 verse 24. Jesus